Hello students. So welcome to the Sai Niketan PU Science College, Jamkhandi and Mudod, and this is the Department of Biology and myself Sandeep Jambore. And yesterday, last video, we solved almost 25 MCQs related to the second chapter, that is a sexual reproduction in flowering plant. Yes. So today some few questions we are going to solve one. Your first question. The pollen-pistil interaction involves, yes, so it is a process, dynamic process one. So it involves means what are the events involved in the pollen-pistil interaction. First option, pollen recognition only. Second one is a promoting the pollen for the pollen tube formation, inhibit of the pollen from the pollen tube. Fourth one, the pollen recognition followed by the promotion or the inhibition of the pollen. So when you take the pollen-pistil interaction, so this is a dynamic process. So here two terms are there. Pollen is a male gametophyte, pistil is a female reproductive part. Yes. So this is an interaction between the pollen grain, male gametophyte, and the female reproductive part. So when you take the pollen-pistil interaction, actually in this one, after pollination, the carpel has a capacity to recognize whether the pollen grains are right or wrong. After that one, if they are right type, they will accept and promote the post-pollination event, and if they are the wrong one, they reject or prevent the post-pollination event. So in that one, first option, pollen recognition only means not only pollen recognition. This is a wrong one. Second one, promoting the pollen from the pollen tube formation. Yes, it will promote only if the pollen grains are right type. It is a half process. Inhibit the pollen from the pollen tube formation. So here promotion is there and inhibition is there. Both will occur. This will take place if it is a right type. This will take place if the pollen grains are wrong type. But fourth option, pollen recognition followed by promotion or inhibition of the pollen. So this include everything. First one is a recognition. Second one is a promotion if they are right type. Inhibition if they are the wrong type. Andre pollen-pistil interaction alli pollen grain stigma ಮೇಲೆ ಬಿದ್ದ ನಂತರ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ರೆಕಗ್ನಿಷನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಅದರ ನಂತರ ರೈಟ್ ಟೈಪ್ ಇತ್ತು ಅಂತಿದ್ರೆ ಪ್ರಮೋಷನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇಫ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ರಾಂಗ್ ಟೈಪ್ ದೆನ್ ಇಟ್ ಇನ್ಹಿಬಿಟ್ ಒನ್. ದೆನ್ ದ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಫೋರ್ತ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್. ಸೊ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ಫೋರ್ತ್ ಒನ್. ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್, little bit long. Given below the events that are observed in the artificial hybridization program, arrange them in a correct sequential order in which they are followed in the hybridization program. Artificial hybridization topic new nodidre. Artificial hybridization means it is a plant breeding method where the only desired pollen grains are deposited on the stigma. Andre illi desired pollen grain means ಯಾವುದೋ ಎರಡು ತಳಿ ಇರ್ಬೋದು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ಸತ ಸೆಲ್ಫ್ ಪಾಲಿನೇಷನ್ ಅವಾಯ್ಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ಸತ ಮತ್ತೆ ಅನ್ಡಿಸೈರ್ಡ್ ಅನ್ಕಂಟ್ರೋಲ್ಡ್ ಪಾಲಿನೇಷನ್ ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೊ what are the two major steps of the artificial hybridization means in textbook only two terms are there. One is the emasculation, second one is the bagging. But try to understand the complete process. Illi options are A to E. First one is a rebagging, second one is a selection of parent. C1 is a bagging, then D1 is a dusting of the pollen on stigma, F is a collection of pollen from the male parent, E is a emasculation, little bit not in proper order. ಈಗ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಆರ್ಗನೈಸ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಸೊ ಹಿಯರ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಈಸ್ rebagging, selection of parent. This is the first one. Yes, so when you take this one, so this is the first option, selection of parent. Second one is selection of parent after, if it is a bisexual plant, emasculation is done. Yes, bisexual flower alli emasculation ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, that is second one, B. Third one bagging. Emasculation ಆದ ನಂತರ ಆ ಫ್ಲವರ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಪ್ಲಾಸ್ಟಿಕ್ ಬ್ಯಾಗ್ ಹಾಕ್ತಾರೆ, ಕಾಟನ್ ಬಟರ್ ಪೇಪರ್. Yes, first one is selection of parent, second one is emasculation, third one is bagging, fourth one is a collection of pollen from the male plant. This is a fourth one. ಅಂದರೆ ಡಿಸೈರ್ಡ್ ಪೋಲನ್ ಗ್ರೇನ್ ಕಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಫೋರ್ತ್ ಒನ್. ದೆನ್ Fifth one, dusting the pollen on the stigma. This is D is the fifth one. Yes. Next, last one is A is the sixth one, rebagging. Now see that one. Selection of parent of desirable character. Second one is emasculation to convert the bisexual flower into unisexual female flower. Then third one is a collection of pollen grain from the male gamete, F1. Yes. Third one is a bagging. After that one, collection of pollen grain from the male parent. Next one is a dusting of the pollen on the stigma. Last one is a rebagging. If you observe this one, so here option B, E, C, F, D, A. Yes. So here if you observe B, E, C, only first option fit goods. Yes. So you correct ಆಗ್ತಿತ್ತು ಆರ್ಟಿಫಿಷಿಯಲ್ ಹೈಬ್ರಿಡೇಷನಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿಸೈರಬಲ್ ಪೇರೆಂಟ್ ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಅದ್ರಾಗ ಬೈಸೆಕ್ಷುವಲ್ ಫ್ಲವರ್ ಇತ್ತು ಅಂದರೆ ಯುನಿಸೆಕ್ಷುವಲ್ ಫೀಮೇಲ್ ಫ್ಲವರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಎಮ್ಯಾಸ್ಕ್ಯುಲೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ ನಂತರ. ಎಮ್ಯಾಸ್ಕ್ಯುಲೇಷನ್ ಆದಿದ ನಂತರ ಆ ಫ್ಲವರ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಬಟರ್ ಪೇಪರ್ ಕವರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಬಟರ್ ಪೇಪರ್ ಕವರ್ ಆದ ಕೂಡಲೇ ಪೋಲನ್ ಗ್ರೇನ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಕಲೆಕ್ಟೆಡ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ದ ಡಿಸೈರಬಲ್ ಮೇಲ್ ಪ್ಲಾಂಟ್. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಸ್ಟಿಗ್ಮಾ ಮೇಲೆ ಪೋಲನ್ ಗ್ರೇನ್ ಹಾಕ್ತಾರೆ ವೆನ್ ದ ಸ್ಟಿಗ್ಮಾ ಇಸ್ ರಿಸೆಪ್ಟಿವ್. ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಒನ್ ಅಗೇನ್ ರೀಬ್ಯಾಗಿಂಗ್ ಇಸ್ ಇಟ್. ಸೊ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಈಸ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ if you see the correct order. So next question is third one. Indicate the stage where the meiosis and mitosis 1, 2, 3 in a flow chart. ಅಂದರೆ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಮೈಟೋಸಿಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲೂ ಮಿಯೋಸಿಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಇನ್ನು ಟೇಕ್ ದ ಫ್ಲೋ ಚಾರ್ಟ್. ಮೆಗಾಸ್ಪೋರ್ ಮದರ್ ಸೆಲ್ 1, ಮೆಗಾಸ್ಪೋರ್, ಅಗೇನ್ ಗಿವ್ ದ ಎಂಬ್ರಿಯೋ ಸ್ಯಾಕ್, ಅಗೇನ್ ಒನ್ ಮೋರ್ 3, then egg. Yes, where the mitosis and meiosis occur. Megaspore mother cell is diploid. Yes, it contain two set of chromosomes. Megaspore mother cell is diploid. It is a gamete mother cell. Megaspores are the haploid. It contains single set of chromosomes. When you take embryo sac is also haploid. Yes. So this is also haploid, but it contains 7-celled 8-nucleate structure. So 3 antipodal cell, synergid, egg, and central cell. It contains 7 cells. In that one, egg is also haploid. Now, if megaspore mother cell is a diploid and megaspore is a haploid one, it must follow meiosis 1. Meiosis ಆಗಲೇಬೇಕು. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಮೆಗಾಸ್ಪೋರ್ದಿಂದ ಎಂಬ್ರಿಯೋ ಸ್ಯಾಕ್ ಆಗಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಅಗೇನ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಹ್ಯಾಪ್ಲಾಯ್ಡ್ ಇಸ್ ದಿ ಈಕ್ವೇಷನಲ್ ಡಿವಿಷನ್. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ಮೈಟೋಸಿಸ್ 1. ದೆನ್ ಅಗೇನ್ ಎಂಬ್ರಿಯೋ ಸ್ಯಾಕ್ದಿಂದ ಎಗ್ ಆಗಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಅಗೇನ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಎ ಈಕ್ವೇಷನಲ್ ಡಿವಿಷನ್ ಮೈಟೋಸಿಸ್ 1. ಸೊ ಇನ್ ಟೇಕ್ ದಿಸ್ ಒನ್, 1 ಈಸ್ ನಥಿಂಗ್ ಬಟ್ ದ meiosis. Second one is mitosis. Third one is again mitosis. Yes. So megaspore mother cell ಮಿಯೋಸಿಸ್ ಆಗಿ 4 ಮೆಗಾಸ್ಪೋರ್ ತಯಾರಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ 3 ಡಿಜನರೇಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಎಸ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ 1 ಈಸ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನಲ್. ಆ 1 ಫಂಕ್ಷನಲ್ಲು 3 ಮೈಟೋಟಿಕ್ ಡಿವಿಷನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ದೆನ್ ಎಂಬ್ರಿಯೋ ಸ್ಯಾಕ್ ಈಸ್ ಪ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ಡ್. ಸೊ ದ 1 ಈಸ್ ನಥಿಂಗ್ ಬಟ್ ಮಿಯೋಸಿಸ್. ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಒನ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ಮೈಟೋಸಿಸ್. ಥರ್ಡ್ ಒನ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ಮೈಟೋಸಿಸ್. ದೆನ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಈಸ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಹಿಯರ್. ಮಿಯೋಸಿಸ್, ಮೈಟೋಸಿಸ್, ಮೈಟೋಸಿಸ್, mitosis, mitosis, meiosis, wrong. Third one is a mitosis, meiosis, meiosis, wrong. Meiosis, mitosis, meiosis, this is also wrong. So first one is a correct answer. Yes, megaspore mother cell undergo first meiosis, then that megaspore undergo mitosis, produce embryo sac, that is a 7-celled 8 nucleus. In that, egg is again haploid one after the mitosis only. So next question is a fourth one. The pollen grain can stored for the several year in the liquid nitrogen having the temperature of. ಈಗ ಪೋಲನ್ ಗ್ರೇನ್ ಸ್ಟೋರ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂತಿದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಲಿಕ್ವಿಡ್ ನೈಟ್ರೋಜನ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಟೋರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಪ್ರೋಸೆಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಪರ್ಟಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ಲಿ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಆಸ್ ಎ ಕ್ರಯೋ ಪ್ರಿಸರ್ವೇಷನ್. ಎಸ್, ಕ್ರಯೋ ಪ್ರಿಸರ್ವೇಷನ್. ಕ್ರಯೋ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ರಿಲೇಟೆಡ್ ಟು ದ ಕೋಲ್ಡ್ ಟೆಂಪರೇಚರ್. ಸ್ಟ್ರೇಟ್ ವೇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಚುಯಲ್ ಒನ್. ಸೊ ಈ ನಂಬರ್ ಗೊತ್ತೇ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಪೋಲನ್ ಗ್ರೇನ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಪ್ರಿಸರ್ವ್ಡ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಲಿಕ್ವಿಡ್ ನೈಟ್ರೋಜನ್ specifically at minus 196 degrees Celsius. So this is a 2018 Neet question. Not minus 120, not minus 180, not minus 60. Answer is fourth one. that is a minus 196 degrees Celsius. Is this clear? This is a particularly called as a cryopreservation. Question number 5. Even in the absence of pollinator, the assured seed sets will be therein. So what is the meaning? Even in absence of pollinator, andre pollinating agent illandrunu assured seed set means fruit formation, seed formation compulsory occurs. So if the means assured seed set means ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪಾಲಿನೇಷನ್ ಆಯ್ತು, ಫರ್ಟಿಲೈಸೇಷನ್ ಆಯ್ತು, ಹಣ್ಣಾಗಿ ಬೀಜನೂ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ಕಂಪಲ್ಸರಿ ಪ್ರೋಸೆಸ್. ಈವನ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಅಬ್ಸೆನ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಪಾಲಿನೇಟರ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ವಿಚ್ ಟೈಪ್ ಆಫ್ ಫ್ಲವರ್, ವೆದರ್ ಇಟ್ ಆಕರ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಕ್ಯಾಸ್ಮೋಗ್ಯಾಮಸ್ ಫ್ಲವರ್ ಆರ್ ಗೈಟಿನೋಗೇಮಿ ಆರ್ ಕ್ಲಿಸ್ಟೋಗ್ಯಾಮಸ್ ಫ್ಲವರ್, xenogamy. Chasmogamous means these are open. Yes, chasmogamous means these are the open. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಪಾಲಿನೇಟಿಂಗ್ ಏಜೆಂಟ್ ಬಂದೇ ಬರ್ತವೆ, ಪಾಲಿನೇಷನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಬಟ್ ಇನ್ ಅಬ್ಸೆನ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಪಾಲಿನೇಷನ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಪಾಸಿಬಲ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಕ್ಯಾಸ್ಮೋಗ್ಯಾಮಸ್. ಗೈಟಿನೋಗೇಮಿ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ಪಾಲಿನೇಷನ್ ಆಕರ್ ವಿದಿನ್ ಎ ಸೇಮ್ ಪ್ಲಾಂಟ್. ಈ ಫ್ಲವರ್ದಿಂದ ಈ ಫ್ಲವರ್ ಅಥವಾ ಈ ಫ್ಲವರ್ದಿಂದ ಈ ಫ್ಲವರ್ ಹೋಗ್ಬೋದು. ಹಿಯರ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಪಾಲಿನೇಟಿಂಗ್ ಏಜೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ರಿಕ್ವೈರ್ಡ್. ಕ್ಲಿಸ್ಟೋಗ್ಯಾಮಸ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ದ ಫ್ಲವರ್ ವಿಚ್ ಡಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಓಪನ್ ಎಟ್ ಆಲ್. ಅಂದರೆ ಫ್ಲವರ್ದಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಟಿಗ್ಮಾ ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ಒಳಗೆ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಪಾಲಿನೇಷನ್ ಇದರಲ್ಲೇ ಆಗಿ ಇದರಲ್ಲೇ ಫ್ರೂಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸೀಡ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಓನ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ ದ ಕ್ಲಿಸ್ಟೋಗ್ಯಾಮಸ್ ಫ್ಲವರ್ ಪಾಲಿನೇಟರ್ ಆರ್ ನಾಟ್ ರಿಕ್ವೈರ್ಡ್ ಒನ್. ಕ್ಲಿಸ್ಟೋಗ್ಯಾಮಸ್ ಫ್ಲವರ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಆಲ್ವೇಸ್ ಅಟೋಗ್ಯಾಮಸ್ ಒನ್. Xenogamy means again it is a transfer of pollen grain from one flower to another flower. Here also pollinating agents are required. So ultimately only in the clistogamous flower dependency of pollinating agents are absent one. Even then seeds are set. So answer is clistogamous flower. Yes, andre ಫ್ಲವರ್ ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ಇತ್ತಂತಿದ್ರೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಪಾಲಿನೇಟಿಂಗ್ ಏಜೆಂಟ್ ಬೇಕೇ ಅಂತ ಏನು ಕಂಪಲ್ಸರಿ ಏನಿಲ್ಲ. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ವಿದೌಟ್ ಪಾಲಿನೇಟಿಂಗ್ ಏಜೆಂಟ್ ಪಾಲಿನೇಷನ್ ಆಗಿ ಹಣ್ಣಾಗಿ ಬೀಜ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಕ್ವಶನ್ ನಂಬರ್ 6. ಇನ್ ooogamy ಫರ್ಟಿಲೈಸೇಷನ್ ಇನ್ವಾಲ್ವ್ಸ್. ಸೊ somewhat it is related to the first chapter. ಅಂದರೆ when you take the first chapter, isogamy, anisogamy, ooogamy, 3 types of fertilization we have seen. So when you take the isogamy, that is a fertilization between 2 motile gametes. Both sides are same. Yes, anisogamy means one is little bit larger, yes, one is little bit smaller. Still both are motile. Ooogamy means one is too much large and one is too much small. This is iso, this is aniso, this is a ooogamy. Now try to find out which statement is fit for this fertilization. The small non-motile female gamete and large motile male gamete. So this large one is actually female and this one is a male. So this is a oogamous means large female gamete is there and small male gamete is present. So the first statement is wrong. Second statement, large non-motile female and a small motile male. Large non-motile female and the small male gamete. Yes, this is the correct one. Now third statement, large non-motile female gamete, correct, but the small non-motile male gamete, this is a wrong one. Male is always motile. Here it is a wrong statement. Fourth one, large motile female gamete. Female gametes are non-motile and the small non-motile male gamete, this is also wrong. So ಈ 4 ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ದಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೀ 2ನೇ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಇದೆ. ವೈ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಲಾರ್ಜ್ ನಾನ್ ಮೋಟೈಲ್ ಫೀಮೇಲ್, ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಗುಡ್, ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಒನ್. ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಮೋಟೈಲ್ ಒನ್, ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್. ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಒನ್. ಇನ್ ooogamy, ನಾನ್ ಮೋಟೈಲ್ large female gamete fused with the small motile male gamete. This is a type of sexual reproduction in higher organism, even angiosperms, vertebrates. So next question, one advantage of the clistogamy is. One advantage of the clistogamy is. So many questions are related to the answer displayed. Sorry. So try to answer this question. The answer is third one. How it is the third answer? Just see that one. 3 types of flowers we have seen. Means pollination. Flowers are 2 types, plasmogamous and the clistogamy. Yes, clistogamy lead to the greater genetic variability? No. Clistogamy lead to the autogamy, that is nothing but the self-pollination. ಅಲ್ಲಿ genetic diversity variation ಆಗುವುದಿಲ್ಲ. The seed dispersal is more efficient and widespread. So it is not at all related to the cleistogamy flower related one. Seed dispersal is a different topic. It is not related to the cleistogamy. Seed set is not dependent on the pollinating agent. Yes, this is a correct. Now just 2 questions back we have seen. Andre, the fruit set is a compulsory in the clistogamous and one question nodidri. Same question related. So fourth one is the each visit of the pollinator result in the transfer of hundreds of pollen grain. So clistogamಯಲ್ಲಿ pollinator visit ಮಾಡುವುದೇ ಇಲ್ಲ. That is wrong one. So here answer is the third one. Clistogamy flowers are closed one. Anther and stigma is close proximity. Autogamy take place. Self-pollination take place. Fruits are formed and seeds are set. That's why seeds are set not depend on the pollinator. Third option is the correct one. Answer is the third one. Next question. 8th one. The sequence of development of the embryo sac. Here. Embryo sac. Embryo sac ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ develop ಆಗಿದೆ. Just 3-4 question back we have seen the embryo sac development, how the meiosis, mitosis occur. This one. So now try to find out what is the sequence. Archisporium, megaspore, megasporangium, embryo sac. No. Archisporium, megasporangium, then megaspore, then embryo sac. This order is wrong one. Second option. Archisporium, megaspore, megaspore mother cell and embryo sac. No. Megaspores are produced from the megaspore mother cell. ಅಂದರೆ ಈ ಕಡೆಯಿಂದ ಈ ತಯಾರಾಗುತ್ತೆ. This is also wrong one. Third one, Archisporium, megaspore mother cell, megaspore and embryo sac. Yes, this is the correct. Archisporium is a sporogenous tissue which is a diploid one. Megaspore mother cell is also diploid one. After meiosis, haploid megaspores are produced. This megaspore undergo mitosis, produce 7-celled 8-nucleus embryo sac. That is the embryo sac. Third option is correct one. Fourth option, megaspore mother cell. Yes. Which produce the archisporium? This is the wrong one. Archisporium produce megaspores. This is also wrong. Megaspore produce embryo sac. This is the correct. Yes, here 2 stages are interchange one. So answer third one is correct. Archisporium, megaspore mother cell, megaspore, embryo sac. So here the archisporium, megaspore mother cell. This is first one is a meiosis division, and from megaspore embryo sac produced by the mitosis division. Answer is a third one. Now next question, which of the following statement about the sporopollen is false? Yes, the sporopollen is the toughest material which is present on the pollen wall, specifically in the exine. Yes, so now find out which one is a wrong statement. The exine is made up of sporopollenin. Exine is made up of sporopollenin. So what we have to find out which is a wrong statement. Yes, exine is made up of sporopollenin. Correct. Sporopollenin is one of the resistant organic material. Yes, this is a resistant organic material. Correct. This exine in agati. This is also correct. The exine has an aperture called germ pore where the sporopollenin is present. Yes, this is wrong here. This is a pollen grain. The sporopollenin is deposited. Yes, but in some places it is not deposited. So these are called the germ pores. So ಎಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲಿ sporopollenin deposit ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ germ pore ಅಂತಾರೆ. But here what they told germ pore where the sporopollenin is present ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. This statement is wrong one, false one. Sporopollen can withstand high temperature and the strong alkali or strong acid. This is also correct one. Here the statement 3 is the incorrect one. Answer is the third. Is this clear? What is the basic information means? The pollen grain made up of 2 layers, exine and intine. Exine is made up of sporopollenin. In some places sporopollenin is not deposited. That site is called the germ pore. Intine is made up of pectose and cellulose. Question number 10. the study of the following statement and the select the incorrect option. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ incorrect statement ಯಾವುದು? Incorrect statement. Now, tapetum nourish the developing pollen grain. So tapetum present on the inner molars of the microsporangium that nourishes the developing pollen grain. It is correct. Tapetum contain more than 2 nucleus, so this will provide the nourishment for the developing pollen grain. Correct one. The hilum represents the junction between the ovule and the funicle. Yes. So this is a junction between the ovule and the funicle, which is a stalk of the, if you take this one, so this is a funicle and this is a hilum and this is a ovule. Yes. In aquatic plants such as water hyacinth and water lily, pollination occur by water. Yes, this statement is wrong. This statement is wrong. Why? Means water hyacinth and water lily both are aquatic, but their pollination depend on either wind or insects. They are hydrophyte but not hydrophilic. Yes, third statement is wrong one. In hydrophytes, in textbook, Vallisneria is given, Zostera is given. So, but the pollination in water hyacinth, water lily is depend on the either air or insect. This statement is wrong. The primary endosperm nucleus is a triploid. Yes, this is the correct one. Here, statement 3 is a wrong one. In aquatic plants such as water hyacinth and water lily, pollination occur by either insect or wind current, not by the water. Question number 10, 11. Yes. So, which of the following statement is not true? We have to find out which is the not correct one. Yes. Now, question number option 1. Pollen grains are rich in nutrient and they are used in the form of tablet and syrup. Yes, they are rich in nutrient, specifically protein. They are used as a tablet and syrup for the athletes also, even horses also. This is correct. Pollen grains of some plants cause the several allergies and the bronchial affliction in some people. Yes, for example, when you take the Parthenium, elephant grass or some plants one, they produce the allergy in some plant. If the persons are hypersensitive, that is correct one. The flower pollinated by the flies and bats secrete the foul odor to attract them. Yes, this statement is correct one. So try to highlight in the textbook one. So flies and bats, they are attracted toward the foul odor, either in the form of rotten egg or the decaying meat. Like this one, odors are there. They are attracted toward that particular odor. So this statement is also correct one. Last statement, honey is made by the bee by digesting the pollen collected from the flower. Yes, honey are prepared by the honeybee, but not by digesting the pollen. Only they preserve the pollen one. The pollens are, due to presence of sporopollen, they are not digesting one. Yes, so this statement is wrong one. So when you take this one out of 4 statement, 4th option is wrong. This is a 2015 AIPMT exam questions one. Now next one is a 12th question. Which of the following statement is correct? Yes, which one is the correct one? We have to find out. Again, it is related to the types of flower and pollination. Chasmogamous flower never exhibit autogamy. Never exhibit means, yes, most of case it is depend on the pollinating agent, but sometime autogamy occurs. Never means it is a wrong one. In open flowers, sometime pollination occur within that flower, fruits are formed, seeds are formed. Chasmogamous flower always exhibit the gytinogamy. No, this is also wrong one. Always occur means not. Xenogamy occur, autogamy occur, not always exhibit the gytinogamy. This statement is also wrong one. Clistogamous flower exhibit both autogamy and gytinogamy. Third option. Clistogamy occur only autogamy, not gytinogamy. This statement is also wrong. In closed flower, only autogamy occurs, not gytinogamy. Third statement is also wrong one. Now, fourth statement, clistogamous flower always exhibit the autogamy. Yes, this statement is correct one. So just go through the textbook regarding the types of flower and pollination, many questions will arise from this section. Answer is a fourth option. Question number 13, which among these is not a post-fertilization event? So this is the easiest one. When you take the fertilization, sexual reproduction event, pre-fertilization means gametogenesis and gamete transfer. Fertilization means this is actual union between the male and female gamete. After fertilization, zygote formation and embryogenesis take place. Here, which is not a post-fertilization event? Here, fruit formation is a post-fertilization event. Fruit is a fertilized ovary. Gametogenesis is a not post-fertilization event. Correct? Gametogenesis take place before the fertilization. So this is the correct answer. Seed formation is also after fertilization. Embryogenesis also take place after fertilization, means out of this one, gametogenesis is not a post-fertilization event. So answer is the second one. Question number 14. Now, the offspring found during the sexual reproduction exhibit more variation than those found by the asexual reproduction. So, illi, what is the statement? The offsprings produced by the sexual reproduction show the more variation than the asexual reproduction. Yes, obviously. What is the reason? This is a CET 2016 question. Sexual reproduction is more complicated. Yes, it is complicated. It is a slow, complicated, elaborated process, but due to that, variations are not created. Genetic material come from two different individuals. Yes. When you take the asexual reproduction, that is a uniparental. Sexual reproduction is a biparental. Two parents are involved. Here, two different individuals are involved. That's why variations are created. Yes, this statement fit good. Now, third statement. Genetic material come from the male parent. This is the wrong one. Not only from the male parent, also from the female parent. This is a wrong. The greater amount of DNA is involved? No. The amount of DNA is involved is not related to the variation one. So in asexual reproduction also, same amount of DNA is involved. Here statement 2 is correct. Genetic material come from the two individual is a correct answer. It is a biparental reproduction one. Now, question number 15. In a dioecious flowering plant, prevent both. Yes, again it is related to the sexuality of organism. Dioecious means this is a one plant and this is another plant, and this is considered as a male one and this is a female. Dioecious. If the both male and female reproductive organs are present in the two different organisms, then it is called the dioecious plant. They prevent, means in that one they will not occur. So when you take the straight relation, autogamy ಮತ್ತು xenogamy condition ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ, autogamy means it require the bisexual flower. Yes, bisexual ಇತ್ತು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ self pollination ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. If it is a unisexual one, then autogamy will not take place. So dioecious plant will prevent autogamy and xenogamy. So autogamy prevent ಮಾಡಬಹುದು, but not xenogamy. Xenogamy ಆಗೇ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Second one is autogamy and xenogamy. Yes, autogamy ನು prevent ಮಾಡಬಹುದು, geitonogamy ನು prevent ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. In unisexual flower, it is always xenogamy. In dioecious plant, second, autogamy and geitonogamy both are prevented. Now take the geitonogamy is prevented but not the xenogamy. Clistonomy and xenogamy, here spelling mistakes are there. So this is a wrong option. Here answer is a second is correct. ಅಂದರೆ ಡೈಷಿಯಸ್ ಪ್ಲಾಂಟಲ್ಲಿ ಅಟೋಗೆಮಿನೂ ಆಗುವುದಿಲ್ಲ, ಗೈಟಿನೋಗೆಮಿನೂ ಆಗುವುದಿಲ್ಲ. ವೆನ್ ಯು ಟೇಕ್ ದ ಔಟ್ ಬ್ರೀಡಿಂಗ್ ಡಿವೈಸಸ್, ಇನ್ ದಟ್ ಒನ್ ವಿ ಕವರ್ಡ್ ದ ಡೈಕೋಗೆಮಿ, ಹೆಟ್ರೋಸ್ಟೈಲಿ, ಡೈಕ್ಲಿನಿ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದ ಸೆಲ್ಫ್ ಇನ್ಕಾಂಪ್ಯಾಟಿಬಿಲಿಟಿ. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಡೈಕ್ಲಿನಿ ಅವ್ರದ್ದು ಯುನಿಸೆಕ್ಸುವಾಲಿಟಿ ಅಂತಿತ್ತಲ್ಲ, ಯುನಿಸೆಕ್ಸುವಾಲಿಟಿ ಆಲ್ವೇಸ್ ಪ್ರಮೋಟ್ ದ xenogamy, not the autogamy and geitonogamy. So answer second is the correct one. Now question number 16. Attractant are rewarded or rewards. Attractants and rewards are required for them. ಅಂದರೆ ಯಾವ ಪಾಲಿನೇಷನಲ್ಲಿ ಅಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಬೇಕು ಮತ್ತು ರಿವಾರ್ಡ್ಸ್ನು ಕೊಡಬೇಕು. Means to sustain the frequent visit of the pollinating agent. So when you take the, you have covered the 3 pollination. One is wind pollination, second is water pollination, third one is insect pollination or the zoophily. Out of this one, which one? Anemophily means it is a wind pollination, entomophily means it is a insect pollination, hydrophily means water, clistogamy means this is a closed flower. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಅಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟೆಂಟು ಮತ್ತು ರಿವಾರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಎದರಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಡುತ್ತೆ. ವೆನ್ ಯು ಟೇಕ್ ದ ವಿಂಡ್ ಪಾಲಿನೇಷನ್, ಸೊ ವಿಂಡ್ ಪಾಲಿನೇಷನ್, ವಾಟರ್ ಪಾಲಿನೇಷನ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಕ್ಲಿಸ್ಟೋಗೇಮಿ, ದೇ ಡಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಡಿಪೆಂಡ್ ಆನ್ ದ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ಸೆಕ್ಟ್. ಎಸ್, ಸೊ ಗಾಳಿಗೆ ನೀವು ಏನು ಕೊಡುವಂಥದ್ದಿಲ್ಲ, ನೀರಿಗೂ ಏನು ಕೊಡಬೇಕಂತೇನು ಕಂಪಲ್ಸರಿ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಕ್ಲಿಸ್ಟೋಗೇಮಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಅಟೋಗೇಮಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಎಂಟೆಮೋಫಿಲಿ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ಇನ್ಸೆಕ್ಟ್ ಪಾಲಿನೇಷನ್. To attract the insect toward the flower, either we have to provide the reward in the form of nectar or the pollen grains. In some cases, safe place to lay the egg. Attractant means they are colorful, showy, and sometimes they produce the even nectar. Clear? So, entomophily attractant ಮತ್ತು rewards ಕೊಡಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. Answer is a second one. Now question number 17. Yes, this is somewhat not covered in the synopsis one. So xenia refer to the effect of pollen one. Yes. So 2 terms are coming. Xenia ant barutte, metaxenia ant barutte. Yes. So it is related to the, it come after the pollination only. Andre, how the male gamete or the male parent will affect the embryo sac. So only 2 definitions are there. Xenia means it is the effect of pollen grain within embryo sac. Pollen grain male gamete effect ಎಲ್ಲಿ exert ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So if the effect of the pollen grain on the endosperm, then it is called the xenia. If the effect of the pollen grain or the genetic material of the male will influence the sporophytic tissue, means embryo sac ಹೊರಗಡೆ tissue effect ಮಾಡಿದರೆ, that is called the metaxenia. So this is not covered in the synopsis one. So when you take the xenia, it is the effect of pollen grain on endosperm. When you take this one, the pollen grain will not affect the stem. Yes, taste of the fruit no affect agudilla, vascular tissue no affect agudilla. These are almost sporophytic tissue andre horagade. Endosperm is formed after triple fusion. Yes, the characteristics of endosperm is decided by the characteristics of the pollen grain one. If the pollen grain affect the endosperm, then it is called the xenia. If the pollen grain affect either nucellus, the nucellus or integumentಗೆ affect ಮಾಡ್ತಂತಿದ್ರೆ, then it is called as a metaxenia. Yes, ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ನೀವು ಕಾರ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಸೀಡ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಚರ್ ಮತ್ತು ಕಲರ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗ್ಬೋದು. ಮೆಕ್ಕೆಜೋಳದಲ್ಲಿ ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ಸೀಡ್ಸು ಬ್ಲ್ಯಾಕ್ ಕಲರ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಆಫ್ example of xenia one. So this is related to the effect of the male gamete on the female tissue. So answer is endosperm. 18th question. The growth of the pollen tube towards the embryo sac is in example of. When you take the pollen tube growth after pollination, the intine will come outside through the germ pore. That is called the germination of pollen grain. So pollen grains are moved towards the embryo sac only. It passes the stigma, style and ultimately come toward the ovule. They enter the ovule either by the porogamy, chalazogamy, mesogamy, but ultimately they reach the micropylar end because the calcium boron inositol complex are present toward the synergid one. Due to presence of that specific chemical, the pollen grains are attracted. This is gynoecium, these are the pollen grain and this is the ovule. ಈ ಪೋಲನ್ ಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಜಿಯೋಟ್ರೋಫಿಸಮ್, ಅಂದರೆ ಗ್ರಾವಿಟಿ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಬರೋದಿಲ್ಲ, ಥಿಗ್ಮೋಟ್ರೋಪಿಸಮ್ನೂ ಬರೋದಿಲ್ಲ, ಟಚ್ದಿಂದ ಬರೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಕೀಮೋಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿಸ್, ಎಸ್, ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಒನ್. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಪೋಲನ್ ಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ಈಸ್ ಅಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟೆಡ್ ಟುವರ್ಡ್ ದ ಕೆಮಿಕಲ್ ವಿಚ್ ಇಸ್ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಟುವರ್ಡ್ ದ embryo means synergid, that is a calcium boron inositol sugar complex. Yes, so here straightway answer is a third, that is a chemotaxis, the movement of pollen tube toward the chemical one. Question number 19, sorry. The type of the ovule in which the funicle is attached to the body ovule, right angle. Yes, we covered this one in synopsis, type of ovules. So in your textbook, only one top ovule is given, this is this shape. E type ittu, that is almost, the micropyle is newer to the funicle. This is a micropyle, yes, this is a funicle. It is complete 180-degree rotation. So when you take the anatropous ovule is like this one. This is a micropyle and this is a funicle, almost 190-degree, straight a little. When you take the sarcinotropous, this is completely curved one. E microfunicle in 360-degree rotation ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. So it is a rotated one. So here they told about the right angle in ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. So this is a embryo sac. E type ಇತ್ತು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ, this is a right angle. Yes. So this is nothing but the hemianatropous. This is a orthotropous. Orthotropous. This is a orthotropous. This is a anatropous. This is a sarcinotropous, and this is a hemianatropous. So where the ovule is right angle to the funicle one, attachment of the body. So answer is the third one. The question number 20. Which one of the following statement is correct one? This is a 2013 Neet question paper. Which is the correct statement? We have to find out which is the correct one. So question is the options. Geitonogamy involve the pollen and the stigma. Pollen and stigma of the flower of different plant. Geitonogamy. Two different plant means, geitonogamy means within a same plant. Yes, this is wrong. Clistogamy flowers are always autogamous. Again, this statement repeatedly asked. Yella question alli barutte. So clistogamy means it is a closed one. Other self-pollination aglebeku. This is statement is correct. Xenogamy occur only in the wind pollination. Xenogamy means cross-pollination. It not always depend on the wind. It depend on the water, otherwise insect, whatever may be the pollinating agent. It is not always wind pollination. This is also wrong. Chasmogamous flowers do not open at all. Yes, this is completely wrong. Chasmogamous means that is open only, not open not. The chasmogamous means which open and expose the anther and stigma toward the environmental factor. Here option second one is correct. Clistogamous flowers are always autogamous. Andre flower close it antidralli self pollination ne agutte. So almost 3-4 questions we came across like this only, which is related to the flower and the pollination. So answer is the second one. Now next question, 21st. The perisperm differ from the endosperm. Yes, two tissues are there. One the perisperm, one the endosperm. What is a perisperm? The perisperm is a persistent nucellus. Even in the mature seed, nucellus is present. Endosperm is a nutritive tissue produced from the primary endosperm cell, division of primary endosperm nucleus. This is a nutritive tissue. How the perisperm differ from the endosperm? Having no reserve food. No, nucellus is also nutritive tissue, endosperm is also nutritive tissue. Nucellus is a embryo sac develop ಆಗೋಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಮೊದಲು nutrition ಕೊಡುತ್ತೆ. Endosperm after fertilization. Both are containing reserve food material. Being diploid tissue. Being diploid means yes, here ploidy came. Perisperm is a diploid one, but endosperm is a triploid. Yes, perisperm means it is a sporophytic tissue. It is already present. Yes, endosperm is a product of triple fusion. That's why it is a triploid. So here difference lies. Either diploid or the triploid. So second statement is bit good. It's formation by the fusion of secondary nucleus with the several sperm. Not several one, only one. Yes. Secondary nucleus means ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎರಡು polar nucleus ಸೇರುತ್ತೆ, ಅದರ ಸಂಗಡ ಒಂದೇ male gamete fuse ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. That's why it is a triple fusion. Yes. Being a haploid tissue, no. Haploid, no. These are the sporophytic tissue, they are always diploid only. Here, the perisperm differ from the endosperm in matter of ploidy. Being a diploid, endosperm is a triploid. Second option is a correct one. So answer is Second. Question number 22nd. When the pollen grain is shed at the 3-celled stage, name the cell it contains. Yes, pollen grains are either 2-celled. So either they contain vegetative cell and generative cell. In 3-celled stage, so this is a pollen grain and this is a 3 nucleus. Which are the 3 nucleus one? Option 1 vegetative and 2 male gamete. 1 vegetative and 2 male gamete. Yes, this is correct one. 2 vegetative, 1 male gamete. No, 2 vegetative is wrong one. 2 vegetative, 2 generative and 1 male gamete. These are all related to male one. This is also not good one. This is not correct one. 2 male gamete and 1 generative cell. Again it is a generative cell. Wrong one. So 3-celled stage means 1 vegetative and 2 male gamete. This is a vegetative cell and these two are the male gamete. So ultimately 3-celled stage. Answer is second. B answer is correct one. First one. That is a 1 vegetative and 2 male gamete. So question number 23rd. A dioecious flowering plant prevent both. Again. So sorry, the questions are repeated one. So dioecious plant prevent both in theory. Just 5 questions back we had discussed one. So answer is straight way autogamy and geitonogamy is answer 1 here. Andrelli dioecious plant means so this is a male plant, this is a female plant. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಅಟೋಗೆಮಿನೂ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ ಗೈಟಿನೋಗೆಮಿ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲಿ xenogamy ಆಗಲೇಬೇಕು. So this is 23rd question. Answer is second one. So 24th, this is the last question. Which of the following character is not required for the autogamy? Yes, here came the main point. Autogamy and outbreeding devices are somewhat opposite topic. Autogamy ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನೇನು ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಬೇಕಲ್ಲ ಔಟ್ಬ್ರೀಡಿಂಗ್ ಡಿವೈಸ್ಗೆ ಅದೇ ಫುಲ್ಫಿಲ್ ಮಾಡಬಾರ್ದು. ಸೊ ಆಟೋಗೆಮಿ ಆಗಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಏನೇನು ಆಗಬೇಕು? Here first statement, flower should be bisexual, which is not required ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. For autogamy, what is not required? Flower should be bisexual. Yes, it is required one. Anther and stigma should be like close to each other. Yes, they should close lies to each other. ಎರಡು ಸಮೀಪ ಇರಲೇಬೇಕು. Then only pollination take place. Flowers require the synchrony in the pollen release and stigma formation. Yes, synchrony ಅಂತ ಒಂದು ವರ್ಡ್ ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬುಕ್ಕಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಆಗಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅಂದರೆ ಪೋಲನ್ ಯಾವಾಗ ರಿಲೀಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಆವಾಗ ಸ್ಟಿಗ್ಮಾ ರಿಸೆಪ್ಟಿವ್ ಇರಲೇಬೇಕು. ಇದು ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಬೇಕೇ ಬೇಕು. ದೆನ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಆಟೋಗಮಿ ಟೇಕ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್. ರಿಕ್ವೈರ್ ಪಾಲಿನೇಟಿಂಗ್ ಏಜೆಂಟ್. ನೋ 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 ನೋ, ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ರಿಕ್ವೈರ್ಡ್. Autogamy means self-pollination within a flower. Their pollinating agents are not required. The pollinating agents are required in either geitonogamy or xenogamy. Yes, so pollen grain ಒಂದು ಫ್ಲವರ್ದಿಂದ ಮತ್ತೊಂದು ಫ್ಲವರಿಗೆ ಹೋಗಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಏಜೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಬೇಕು. Agents are not required in the autogamy. Agents are not required in the clistogamous flower. So answer 4th is a correct answer. Yes, answer is a 4th one. So this is these are the few questions today we solved one. So this is the last question. So I hope you have understood this chapter in better manner. So just go through the chapter once again. If possible, try to solve the maximum questions. So if you have not understood any question, just contact the respective faculty and clarify your doubts. Yes. So again we will meet in the next chapter, different chapter 1. So till then, just do your hard and smart work. So thank you everyone.